Climate change has caused a substantial increase in hurricanes, tropical storms, droughts, floods, and other disasters experienced throughout the region. According to the UN OCHA, the Caribbean is the second most disaster-prone region in the world, experiencing $152 million in damages from a total of 1,205 disasters from 2000 to 2019. When disaster strikes, how do we prepare? Individuals flock to supermarkets and gas stations for supplies. They place shutters on windows to secure their houses and cut the overhanging limbs of trees. However, building risk resilience goes beyond emergency preparation, and what the region lacks is a holistic approach to climate resilience which examines the process before, during, and after. Here are 3 things you should be mindful of when trying to become resilient. To anticipate, we should have the ability to be prepared for the impacts and dangers of natural disasters through examining the risks associated with the disaster. Whether our assessment is from the perspective of national disaster planners, community groups, NGOs, or as individuals, identifying risks can aid us in developing a proactive plan of action for natural disasters and threats we face. Anticipating events is a key component of risk resilience and can reduce the overall impacts of imminent natural disasters. When we do encounter these devastating natural disasters, countries should be fully equipped to absorb the impact of these disasters by increasing food security, increasing cash flow, and enabling quick recoveries through different insurance products. Countries cannot always bounce back from disasters on their own, and in these circumstances, additional liquidity, for example through insurance, contingent credit lines, private sector investments, and development assistance from other countries becomes important. Adapting is the long-term capability of the region to react to current and future extreme weather events and their impacts. When recovering from disasters, we must build back and bounce back better. The region should recover stronger by restoring buildings and communities with stronger, resilient infrastructure to reduce the vulnerability to future natural disasters. The 3 A's are an effective method of building resilience under the Integrated Climate Risk Management approach. This is a strategy used globally that can assist the region in building resilience with an intended focus on 5 key steps. This methodology builds climate resilience by utilizing a holistic approach to how we confront the threat of natural disasters. Climate and disaster risk finance and insurance offers support through cost-effective and timely responses for governments and individuals in need of assistance. The process is mapped from the initial stages by financing risk reduction and mitigation measures. Insurance products could cover residual risk and reduce the time it takes to respond post-natural disaster. Join us as we continue to build a more sustainable Caribbean. And don't forget to visit the Caribbean Policy Development Center's Risk Resilience Hub for more information.